So all of the equipment is now set up. I'm going to just show you what you have to do to get a video feed into PCS Pro. So all I've done is open up PCS Pro. So we've got our network adapter plugged into the side of the laptop. So if that's the first time you've done that, then you'll need to go to Network Status, change adapter options, and then from here you'll see Ethernet 2. TP-Link Gigabit Ethernet is the adapter. If you just right click that and then Properties, then Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Okay, now for most of you I'm guessing it will say obtain automatically, so you just need to click use the following IP address and then type in there 10.1.1.10. then if you just click the subnet mask, that needs to be 255.255.255.0 and then press OK. So for most people that's all absolutely fine and going to work. If you are a bit techie and may have a few other things on that same IP range, then get in touch. It's probably the easiest way rather than me boring everybody with all the different options that won't affect 99% of users. So just to go back, I always just double check that's saved. Yep, brilliant. Okay, and once you've done that the first time, from now on, every time you plug that adapter in, there's no need to do this. So from this point forwards, all you need to do is plug your adapter in and then open up PCS Pro like I've done here. So all I've done is I've just gone to the Video Analyst default view, just so we get the video display. So currently we've got no video, so I'm going to go up to Tools, then Configuration, and from here I'm going to go to Video Capture. So if I just delete the one that I've already got on there, so video capture you'll see is enabled. Video capture devices, we've currently not got any, so if I'm going to add capture device, so IP camera here is the device type that you want. Now these will obviously be empty, that's saved from where I've previously done stuff on this laptop. So if you click search, PCS Pro will then find your IP camera, providing everything's working well. It will then find your IP camera. Okay, so 10.1.1.30 is the IP address of the camera, which you'd find in the information sent to you via email when you receive the kit. So if you click that, it then asks you for the username and password, which will also be sent to you via email. So if I just type those in, I will note it is the same for everybody. So your username is CamKit and your password is King5464, and then click login. From there it gives you the option to choose which video feed effectively you would like to come into PCS Pro, so it's just different resolutions. So the top resolution is 1080p, mid-range 720, and then lower 480p. So the top resolution will place more strain on the laptop, will use more data when uploading, so these are all things to bear in mind, but for now I'm just going to choose the top resolution. So I'm going to click that and then add camera. From there I then need to press OK and OK, and then if we keep our eyes peeled on the video display, give that a few seconds, and then fingers crossed, there you are, you'll then get your picture. Okay, steering the camera, pretty cool feature. If you click this cog settings and then show IP camera controls, you're then able to steer the camera from within the software. So if you just click connect, you're then connected, and then you can see here we'll whiz this round, and there you are, you're steering your IP camera from your laptop that's on the sight screen. Okay, so obviously like I mentioned, ours are away for the winter, but you then line it up, you can then zoom in on the pitch, play around, etc, etc. So there you are, that's how to set up your IP camera kits within PCS Pro. Any issues, give us a shout.